Hello, welcome to Imagine Wellness. My name is Dr. Patricia Ford. Stick around. I want you to ask your kids, what do they think about Doritos versus pretzels versus an apple versus vegetables? Ask your kid, what do you think of these foods? And see what they say. If their response is, good, or, blech, that means they're in their intuitive state. That means they're reacting to food and thinking of a sensory, their taste, which is awesome, which is a good place to be. If they are reacting with food rules, like, oh mom, this has red dye number 40. This has fiber. I like this because it helps me to lose weight. They are in a different frame of mind. They might be eating based upon obligation, and you don't want your kiddos there. As we grow older, we start to learn about food and nutrition and different sets of rules, and we lose our ability to enjoy the food. We lose our ability to be present and in the moment and remove all judgment. Now, as a dietitian of 20 years, there definitely is structure and guidance around food that can help us, that can be our ally. It also can suppress us. It can make us lose the ability to have pleasure with our food. Kiddos under 5, they have such a unique intuition that I want you to hone in on and ask them, what do you think about these different foods? And see their reaction. If they're in their taste buds, awesome. Let them be. Let them explore different foods. If they have a hard time with that, seek out help. I do see kids that are labeled as picky eaters. I work with their therapists, dietitians, psychologists, and navigating that relationship with food. And if they're in a set of rules, ask yourself, am I teaching them how to eat beyond taste? Am I, as their guardian, am I teaching them these set of rules that are not theirs yet? And see what that's like to remove the rules and taste your food again. This is my YouTube channel, Imagine Wellness. I'm Dr. Patty Ann Ford. I'm a doctor, dietitian, and coach, and I help those heal their relationship with food, body, weight, and health. Thank you for watching, and subscribe if you like this information. Okay, bye.